Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Today, I will tell you the uses and benefits of aloe vera so that you can make better use of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a versatile plant with a wide range of uses, particularly for beauty, health, and skincare. Here are some common uses of aloe vera. Point number 1. Skin moisturizer. Aloe vera gel acts as a natural moisturizer, hydrating the skin without making it greasy. How to use: apply aloe vera gel directly to the skin, especially on dry areas, for a cooling and moisturizing effect. Point number 2. Sunburn treatment. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe sunburns and reduce redness and irritation. How to use: apply fresh aloe vera gel to sunburned skin for instant relief and faster healing. Point number 3. Acne treatment. Aloe vera's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce acne and prevent future breakouts. How to use: dab aloe vera gel onto acne spots and leave it on overnight for best results. Point number 4. Wound and cut healing. Aloe vera promotes faster healing of wounds, cuts, and minor burns by stimulating the production of collagen. How to use: apply aloe vera gel directly to the wound or cut for quicker healing and reduced scarring. Point number 5. Anti-aging benefits. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that help slow down the aging process by reducing fine lines and wrinkles. How to use: apply aloe vera gel to the face regularly to boost skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging. Point number 6. Dark circle treatment. Aloe vera helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes by hydrating and soothing the skin. How to use: gently apply aloe vera gel to the under eye area before bedtime. Point number 7. Hair care. Scalp and growth. Aloe vera can help reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, and condition the scalp. How to use: massage aloe vera gel into the scalp and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing your hair. Point number 8. Stretch mark reduction. Aloe vera helps improve skin elasticity and can reduce the appearance of stretch marks. How to use: massage aloe vera gel into stretch mark areas regularly. Point number 9. Shaving gel alternative. Aloe vera can be used as a natural shaving gel, providing a smooth shave and reducing irritation. How to use: apply aloe vera gel to the skin before shaving for a smooth and soothing experience. Point number 10. Skin brightening. Aloe vera can help brighten and even out skin tone, reducing pigmentation and dark spots. How to use: apply aloe vera gel to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Point number 11. Lip care. Aloe vera can help heal dry, cracked lips and keep them soft and moisturized. How to use: apply aloe vera gel to your lips, especially at night before sleep. Point number 12. Natural hair conditioner. Aloe vera acts as a natural conditioner, making hair soft, shiny, and healthy. How to use: apply aloe vera gel to hair as a leave-in conditioner or use it as a hair mask for 20 minutes before rinsing. Aloe vera is an all-around beneficial ingredient, widely used for its healing and hydrating properties, making it a valuable addition to both beauty and health routines.